All right, welcome back to Dad Deals. Here we have the next parking lot sale over at Harbor Freight. This is going to be in March. Now, this ad was leaked or posted over on Reddit earlier today. So I wanted to share it with you guys, give you my first thoughts and opinions on these sales and deals. There's some good stuff in here, some stuff that people have been waiting a long time to come back, like the buy a battery, get a free tool on the Bauer line is back in this sale. But stay tuned, I'll break it all down for you. And as always, if you find my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So this sale is going to take place in early March, so it's going to start on Monday, March 2nd for Inside Track Club members. They're going to get early access through Thursday, March 5th, and then everyone can join in on Friday, March 6th through March 8th. Of course, as usual with these Harbor Freight ads, they're going to have these big percentage off deals on certain brands right here front and center. Here we have 5 of them to talk about. We have 35% off all Icon and Quinn sockets. That is going to be a massive deal, very popular. I think those are probably the 2 most popular hand tool lines at Harbor Freight. So you're looking at Icon for more the professional quality, Quinn for a great value and still a great quality tool. Lifetime warranties, of course, on both of those. So you're going to get 35% off all of these socket sets. You have 30% off all of the bottle jacks. That'll obviously be a little bit less popular than the socket sets. You have 25% off all of the US General carts. So you're talking about the 5-drawer mechanics cart, 4-drawer, even the service cart, which I love to use as a little detailing cart that I can roll out to my cars when I'm doing car washes on. Now, if you're curious on if that's the best deal, just using the 5-drawer mechanics cart as an example, the retail price on that is $280, so 25% off is going to put you out about $210. So that's not the lowest that we've seen it go. Usually sub $200 is really the target there. So still a good price, but not the best price we've seen. You also have 30% off all of the jack stands. So Daytona, Pittsburgh, they are all 30% off, which is a great deal. And then one we haven't seen in a long time, this is going to be 20% off all of their Atlas, Bauer, and Portland outdoor power tools. That includes the brand new Bauer pressure washer. And it's nice to see Harbor Freight giving some love to some of these Atlas tools. We've seen a lot of them on coupon deals right now that I highlighted in my last video. And then here we're seeing it again, 20% off the entire line. All right, and then before we go back to that front page, I know I teased it at the beginning of this video. A lot of people have been waiting for this deal to come back, but here it is right over here. This is going to be the buy a Bauer starter kit for $100, and you can pick a free tool. And there are 7 tools to choose from. It's this list right here. So you have the impact driver, angle grinder, reciprocating saw, sander, even an extra battery is in there as a choice. But great to see that back. So if you've been waiting, the wait is finally over for that. So now let's go back to the front page and we'll go through these bargain bin items at the top. So you have some step drill bits for $9. That's over half off. You got your 2800 medium Apache case at $18. The 800 lumen flashlight at $7 is the tactical one. That's right at half price. Some LED string lights at $19, pretty normal price there. Your silver tarp, 11.5 feet by 19.5 feet at about $15. And then 50% off your 50 packs of 7mm gloves. So kind of the usual suspects up here, but great deals nonetheless. Coming on down here, we have the Badlands 12,000 pound winch at $280. The Braun 500 lumen rechargeable foldable flashlight at $15, your racing floor jack at $85, the 2500 watt inverter generator at $500, the new Maddox code reader scanning tool is $165, a Yukon 5-tier shelf at $40, the Viking jump starter and power bank. These are great to keep in a glove box. If you do not already have one of these, this $70 price is a pretty good price to pick one up. You can usually get them for that price over on Amazon, sites like that, but being able to pick it up local is nice too. And $70, that's a solid price for one of these. Make sure you have one in each of your cars. They can really save you or allow you to save someone else out on the road. You also have the welding table here at $140, and then some more bargain bin items. The infrared thermometer, great for griddling or grilling, is $15. A hardwood dolly at $8, ammo cans at $12, the heat gun at $10. The 20-piece air compressor accessory kit from Merlin at $15, and then a moving blanket at about $4. All right, on page 2, we have a multimeter at just under $5, some socket trays, some gas cans at $18, cable ties under $2, a 2-gallon sprayer at $10, and your Warrior cheap drill bit set at $12. So nothing too much stands out there to me. Pretty normal sale prices on all that stuff. So more Predator generators. You have the 9500 watt on the wheels inverter generator at $1,700, 5000 watt at $800, and then your semi-trash water pump at $220. as well as the gas engine over here at $120. Hercules has some good deals going on. They have the jackhammer here at $550, that surface conditioning tool at $100, and then a nice premium miter saw stand at $140. Now, unfortunately, the Hercules miter saw is not on sale, but you can get the cheap Admiral. This is the 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw at $200. All right, down here on Bauer, we talked about the buy a battery, get a tool, but some of their corded tools are also on sale. They have the drywall sander at $110, reciprocating saw at $45, polisher and sander at $40, wet dry vac. This is the 3-gallon sort of portable version, $30, the drain cleaner at $75, and your variable speed rotary tool kit, $35. Bargain bin items down here. We got the Bauer angle grinder. That's interesting to see at $23. Some cutoff wheels at $4.42. Some combination wrench sets, either standard or metric, at $22. A canvas drop cloth at just under $7. A box frame level at $15. And then the cheap tape measure. A lot of time, this is a free item at $2.50. All right, on page 3, up top here, we have the Pittsburgh. This is sort of updated a year or two ago. This is their tire inflator with the LED light at just $10. That's a great price, a no-brainer to make sure that's in every vehicle you have. You have a swivel head flashlight at $20, and 500-pound ratcheting tie downs at $10 for a 4-pack. Your American flag, not made in America, at just under $5. A 50-pack of shop towels at just under $8. And a tool bag, a small tool bag at $5. All right, your floor jacks, they have the Daytona 3-ton low profile at $130, the 4-ton at $170, and then the 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack at $250. You also have the Pittsburgh 3-ton at $90. Some US General rolling cabs, you got the 42-inch at $530 and the 72-inch triple bank at $1,500. Some more Viking jump starters. Here's kind of your big one. This has the air compressor built into it. So it's a jump starter and an air compressor. That's $75. That's a great price for that. And then they have the little bit more powerful jump starter than what we saw on the front page. This is your 2000 peak amp jump starter at $100. This is the small portable one. All right, Hallmaster has their drop hitch at $100. You also have this UTV ATV 5,000-pound winch at $155. Your Icon screw extractor set, a 25-piece set, is $50, and the brake caliper set is $50 as well. Quinn has their digital torque wrench. This is the 3/8-inch drive up to 100 foot-pounds, and this is $130. Your 225-piece mechanics tool set from Pittsburgh is $100. A trailer light kit at $30, and then some bargain bin items down here. We have the brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit at $18, a small storage case at $6, some microfiber cloths at $3, a welding clamp at $20, that battery operated liquid transfer pump at $6.50. If you have a fish tank, this thing is awesome at doing water changes, and then a magnetic LED towing light kit at $23. All right, the last and final page here, we have the 5-piece plier set from Pittsburgh at $15, your gravity feed air spray gun at $10, some clear stacking bins at $2.79, a long funnel at $1.92, a 10-foot extension cord at just under $5, and then that magnetic pickup tool, which is really nice, at $2.50. Some welding stuff here. We have the MiG 170 welder at $400, some welding helmets here at $100 and $30. The Braun linkable lights is the diamond plated one, and this produces 10,000 lumens. You can link up to 4 of these. That's $33. Your earthquake impact wrench twin hammer is $90. Some air compressors over here with the Fortress Ultra Quiet hot dog style 10-gallon air compressor at $255. They have their 6-gallon pancake version, not the ultra quiet though, at $140. And then some cheap air compressors here from McGraw, the 3-gallon in either the pancake or hot dog style is $55. Your Banks basic Brad air nailer is $20. You have a 50-foot hose reel at $65. You can get that rubber hybrid air hose reel from Merlin. That's 50 feet at $20. The air spray gun, this seems like it's been on sale almost every single one of these sales. I love it. I love it at this price, $35. I think that's an amazing price, but it has been that price probably the last 3 or 4 sales, I feel like. You also have your rifle cases at $100, cement mixer at $200, some Franklin carts. These are the kind of the plastic industrial carts is going to be $75 a piece. And then the kind of little giant copycat ladder from Franklin is $130. A swivel vise is $150. Some steel shelves from US General. This is a new item, 5-tier shelves that aren't the plastic like the Yukon version. This is going to be $120. And then finally down here, we have some fiberglass hammers at $4, some hex shank socket sets at $1.88, pneumatic tires at $5, a grinder brush kit, a 7-piece set here at $10. Another one of those hybrid hoses is the 25-foot version at $15. And then finally, your extreme duty 8-foot by 10-foot tarps are going to be $8. So I hope this gave you a first look at this ad. I will link to that Reddit post so you can browse this anytime in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.